Hi, Monty here with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, and we continue to hear the same comments from our clients when they come into our showroom is we just don't know where to start, or we think we know where to start because we've been looking online, or we saw some things in somebody else's home that we really like, but we're really unsure. One of the things that you'll find here with our team is their passion to help our clients determine what products fit in which rooms in their house. And they do that by asking a lot of questions and understanding your vision for your design, understanding your likes and dislikes, some of the environmental concerns that you may have as far as maintenance. All those things come into play when we try to determine what it is that will be best suited for your home environment and for your design needs. And rest assured, those are the types of things that we're going to do for you when you come in here to Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors. We're going to provide you this stress-free environment for your home makeover. We're going to turn those interior design dreams into reality. And to find out more information in regards to the different tips on design, different tips on products, maintenance, all the different things with flooring, subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have multiple videos that covers all these things and really helps you make those decisions. So stop in here at Gillespie's, let us turn those interior designs into reality, and subscribe to our YouTube station where you might even learn a lot more.